If you've watched the previous videos in this series, you now understand the strategy behind YouTube automation in 2026. But strategy without execution is useless. So in this video, I'm giving you a clear 30-day action plan to launch, structure, and optimize your channel step by step. No guesswork, no overwhelm, just daily focus. Tease is not a get rich in 30 days promise. This is a 30-day foundation plan. The goal is launch your channel properly, publish for high-quality videos, build system consistency, collect real data. Month 1 is about structure, not viral success. Day 1. Choose your make sure it's specific. It is search demand. You can create 30+ ideas. Day 2. Research 20 video ideas. Day 3. Choose your first 4 video topics. Day 4. Set up your channel properly. Clean banner, professional profile image, about section with keywords. Day 5. Create your first script. Day 6. Record or generate voiceover. Day 7. Produce video number 1. Important. Do not rush thumbnails. Day 8. Upload video number 1. Optimize. SEO. Title. Description. Tags. Pinned comment. Day 9 to 10. Script video number 2. Day 11 to 12. Produce video number 2. Day 13. Design strong thumbnail. Day 14. Upload video number 2. Goal. 2 high-quality uploads in 14 days. Focus on retention, clarity, structure. Now you analyze data. Check. Click-through rate, average view duration, audience retention graph. If CTR is low, improve thumbnails. If retention drops in first 30 seconds, fix your hook. Day 15 to 17. Create video number 3. Day 18 upload. Day 19 to 21. Create video number 4. Upload. By end of week 3, you have 4 videos live. That's a strong foundation. Now we strengthen monetization. Day 22. Add affiliate links. Day 23. Create simple lead magnet idea. Day 24. Improve descriptions across all videos. Day 25. Refine thumbnails using data. Day 26 to 27. Outline next 5 videos. Day 28. Batch script to videos. Day 29. Produce 1 video in advance. Day 30. Review analytics deeply. Ask, which topic performed best? Which thumbnail got highest seat? Which video had strongest retention? Now you're no longer guessing. You're operating with data. Realistic outcome. 4 to 5 quality videos, 50 to 500 subscribers, Data Insights production system, improved skills. This is success. Month 2 is about scaling. Month 3 is about monetization, acceleration, YouTube rewards, consistency and improvement, not perfection. If you follow this 30-day plan seriously, you will be ahead of most people trying YouTube automation in 2026. The difference between failing channels and growing channels is structured execution. Comment below. DAY 1 minuto if you're restarting today. In the next video, I'll break down how to scale from 1,000 to 10,000 subscribers strategically.